Welcome everyone to the Rob West Marketing Company, and in this video about our website solutions, we're going to show you first a little bit about the front end of the website and what your users would experience and how the website will work for you. And secondly, we will show you how you can edit your website and be empowered to keep everything up to date. Here we have our demonstration website, and what's very important is that the home page draws your user in and gives them several ways to navigate about the site using different calls to action or different engagement points where people can connect with you on your marketing channels and determine that they want to be at your facility and spend money using the services that you provide. In today's market, over 50% of your users are going to be viewing your website not on a computer or a laptop. So it's so important for you to have the website automatically reorganize itself based upon these devices. We're going to show you responsive design. All of our templates have responsive design built in, and in this form, as I shrink down the window, you're going to go from seeing the website on a large scale monitor down to a laptop, down to a device like a tablet or an iPad, and you'll notice how the software is automatically going to reorganize itself and reconform to the device where you're viewing it. So we're down to a smartphone level, and users can still see 100% of our content on every single page. Here's a main menu, and they can go to, and let's show the wedding and events page again too, and everything is still here. As I scroll down, I see all the services, the pictures, the request form, the banquet amenities, even the photos. And as I go back up, you'll see how again it reconforms versus an iPad, now to a laptop, now back to a large-scale monitor. So this is so important that you engage 100% of your users in the most efficient manner so they can decide this is the golf course, this is the facility I need where to spend my money. People are only going to see a few pages at most on your website and spend 1 to 2 minutes, and then they're going to be off somewhere else. So we need to captivate their attention right away and use certain calls to action, whether it's buttons or channels where they can sign up for your social media specials or your email specials, or even when they're looking at your photos. We always want to draw them and navigate them to somewhere where it's very important so they can select you to book a lesson or an outing or hold a banquet with you. So we're going to make sure that that home page is set up properly, that people will easily be able to find out, hey, we have an upcoming event for so on and so forth, or here's some recent news, or sign up for our email blast, and that way they'll always hear from you whenever you're posting a special. Now, we may use the world's #1 content management software that's won several awards, but we really pride ourselves on being able to organize your content in such an efficient manner that a website that was previously 60 or 70 pages only really needs to be 20 pages. So that way when someone goes to your wedding and events, they see everything here. You have the request form front and center, information, some photos, a link to a video, and any other information that's going to show how you stand out and want someone to hold their banquet or wedding or tournament or outing at your facility. Now, part of the real power of the Joomla content management system is that we have over 10,000 options that we can interface into your website. Now, that would be something as simple as an online store where you could sell gift cards or select merchandise items, or anything from an event calendar or event registration system so people can sign up and pay online and join an event. We have things like private member pages or a community bulletin board or golfer forum where people can post and interact with each other. And I'll show you something as simple as just something that's very important is the contact interface, where we would put in a place for them to email you general questions or else contact a member of your staff directly by phone or email, or is a place where they can just start typing their address and get custom directions to your facility, because it's very important that they can easily find you. And anything else on that page as well, whether it's policies or driving directions from different sections of the city or the state where they're coming from. Now, this is the administrator area of the website where you'll organize and manage your content and keep everything up to date. And this is all web-based, so you just need a browser like Mozilla Firefox. And you'll notice that we're using the latest version of Joomla. Our video was shot in July of 2014, and we're using Joomla 3.3.1, which was just released earlier this month. Now, up at the top is your administration menu. So this is where I can go view different aspects of the website. Like, for instance, this is a list of the entire architecture of the website, and I can reorganize or rename things or I can click and unpublish something if I'm not selling something right now, like I'm not going to offer any more memberships for the year. And this will automatically update the website as soon as you click refresh, and you'll see memberships will now be gone. Now if I want to edit a page or put in a new event or something, I'm going to go to probably like the content article manager, and here I could just say, oh, I need to add something to the golf instruction page. Maybe I changed instructors, or I want to change the rates for the year, and you just get in here and, just like using Microsoft Word, you type and you click save and close and it's done. Probably the most difficult thing that you'll do is add a photo, and I'm going to show you that here. So I might hit enter once or twice and pull something off my computer that I took. And what's really nice about this is that now I'm looking at the different folders on here, and I can keep things organized and say I'm going to put this in my pictures folder, and I'm going to upload something from my computer, and it's just a drag and a drop. So you drag and drop. Maybe you took this right from your camera and you need to resize it on the fly, so you could check that button and it'll automatically shrink it and upload it for you. And as soon as it's done, it'll show here. And all you do is you click on it and you can see it, and align it based upon different things. Maybe I want to put this on the right hand side, and you click insert and it's on your page and it's done, and it's really that easy. From there you can even drag and drop it around, and I can say I want to go up a little bit on the page, and click save and close when I'm done. Now hopefully this gives you a brief overview of how powerful our software is and how easy it is to use. There's certainly a lot more to cover before you say yes, so we'd like to make sure that you have our contact information here, and contact one of us at either of these numbers or emails, and we can set up an online demonstration with you where we could answer any questions for you and make sure that you see everything that you need prior to transitioning your website to our company. Thank you for your time.